So you want to get into Japanese denim, but you're not trying to drop a whole paycheck on some jeans, right? I got you. Not everybody got that kind of cash. So we're gonna help you out. What's up, everyone? I'm Reggie Casual, and today we're breaking down the best beginner Japanese denim brands that'll give you that quality selvage experience without completely wrecking your wallet. Let's get it. Before we get into everything, I gotta hit you with a disclaimer. Not all Japanese denim is built the same. Some brands are budget friendly, some lean into vintage workwear aesthetics, and some are gateway brands into premium level Japanese craftsmanship. So instead of just throwing out names, I'm gonna rank these based on what you might actually need, whether it's affordability, accessibility, or just straight up quality. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which brand fits your style and budget. So let's get into it. That's like the second intro, so we didn't. Anyway, number one, Kojima Genes. Kojima Genes with the G is likely the most affordable option on this list, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's low quality. As the name suggests, these jeans are made in Kojima, Japan, the heart of the country's denim industry. That means you're gonna be getting real selvage denim, but here's the catch. This is as basic as it gets. There are no extra bells and whistles, no fancy branding, just pure, no frills denim built for durability and solid fades over time. And one of the best things about Kojima Genes is that you're still getting the great fades, but without the high maintenance commitment that some raw denim brands require, which is notable because the care is just as crazy as just getting the denim itself. Anyway, over the years, Kojima's prices have increased slightly, but they're still squarely in the budget range. You can get a standard pair of Kojima jeans for about 15,000 yen, which is about $100 USD, and even their heavier weight options are still affordable, with the cheapest around 17,000 yen or $113 USD. There are more expensive models, but if you're just getting started and want quality Japanese selvage on a budget, Kojima Genes is a fantastic investment. Number two, we got Edwin. Now, we already did a deep dive on Edwin, so go ahead and check out that full breakdown on that episode. Should be popping up somewhere. Check it out after this one. But to sum it up, Edwin is the most accessible Japanese denim brand worldwide. It's not even close. However, fair warning, not all Edwin denim is made in Japan, so always check the label before buying. Edwin is one of Japan's oldest and most respected denim brands, and its influence on the industry is massive. They literally invented stonewashing, a technique that changed denim forever. They were also the first brands to push 16-ounce heavyweight denim well before it became a standard in the raw denim world. As for quality, Edwin offers a mix of budget-friendly denim and premium raw selvage. Their made-in-Japan models are some of the best-priced selvage jeans on the market. That said, not all MIJ models, made-in-Japan models, are created equal. Some are made using recycled fabric scraps, which is great for a sustainable option, but isn't 100% pure selvage denim. It's still very good, but if you're looking for the highest quality of MIJ selvage, expect to pay a bit more. Speaking of pricing, let's focus on the 100% cotton made-in-Japan models. Entry-level pairs start at around 14,000 yen, about $94 USD, while their higher-end models go up to about 22,000 yen, which is around $147 USD. That makes Edwin's entry point slightly cheaper than Kojima Genes, but its best pairs are a bit more expensive, and they're also highly recommended. Number three, Big John, and not in the way that you're thinking, just Big John jeans. It's crazy. Anyway, a name so legendary in Japanese denim that every denim fan in the world knows it. And honestly, most probably own a pair, at least those super denim heads, most of them probably own a pair just for the history alone. Now, Big John is Japan's first ever denim brand, meaning they were the ones who kicked off Japan's entire denim industry, and they're still going strong today. If you're a fan of heritage denim, Big John is just a must-have. Simple as that. These jeans are no nonsense, built for durability, with classic cuts and strong construction. They take heavy inspiration from early Levi's workwear, so if you're into old school Americana and vintage fits, Big John is a perfect fit. Now, let's talk about the range. Big John does have premium models that push the limits of Japanese denim craftsmanship, and those can get pricey, running well over 30,000 yen plus. That's around $200 USD. But their entry-level models are surprisingly reasonable. A solid pair starts at around 15,000 yen, which is around $100 USD, while their near premium offerings begin at around 23,000 yen, which is around $154 USD. As a quick tip, always check exchange rates before buying to get the most accurate pricing. That said, Big John is an excellent choice for a starter pair, and since it's such a historically significant brand, it also works well as a collector's item. Next up at number 4, we got Japan Blue jeans. Now we're actually getting serious right now. Japan Blue is where we step into entry-level premium denim. So what makes it special? Well, Japan Blue is the sister brand to Momotaro. That's right, the Momotaro. The biggest selling point? They use the same Zimbabwe cotton as Momotaro, meaning you're basically getting a Momotaro experience without the premium price tag. So what's the difference? Well, Momotaro is entirely handcrafted and artisanal, while Japan Blue is slightly mass-produced, but still held to incredibly high quality standards. This makes Japan Blue more accessible, but still very much in that high quality arena. That's why Japan Blue is considered the go-to entry-level premium brand. It's the perfect balance of price, quality, and accessibility. Now, if you've ever wanted to try Momotaro, for instance, but found it too expensive or hard to get, Japan Blue is the best alternative, unless you're specifically looking for that artisanal hand-finished touch. Of course, with that quality bump, the price also increases. Entry-level models start at around 20,000 yen, that's about $133 USD, and their higher end options can reach around 32,000 yen, which is around $214 USD. It might seem like a steep jump, but for the quality you're getting, it's well worth it. Think of it like Kobe Bryant to Momotaro's Michael Jordan. It's the same DNA, but slightly different execution. Before we continue, a quick word from our sponsor, Squarespace. If you've been thinking about turning that fashion idea into something real, whether it's a brand, platform, or just a place to build community, Squarespace is where you start. This isn't just a website builder, it's full-on brand building toolkit. You got stunning templates that don't look cookie cutter, built-in e-commerce so you can sell your pieces, members areas to build loyalty, and email campaigns to keep your people in the loop. All of it under one roof. And now with Blueprint AI, it gets even easier. Just answer a few quick questions about your style, your goals, your vibe, and Blueprint builds a custom layout tailored to your brand's identity. Fonts, colors, flow, it's all curated for you. No more blank canvas, no overthinking, just build and launch. So when you're ready to go from idea to execution, head up squarespace.com/thecasual to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Build the brand, build the community, do it all with Squarespace. Coming in next, we got Orslow. Now, for the initiated, people who know, Orslow may be a bit out of the budget range for beginners. They might even say that that's not a beginner brand, Joe. But hear me out. As stated at the beginning, this isn't just about budget, but more about where you should start based on different criteria. Now, Orslow is the denim brand best reserved for individuals who prefer soft, vintage wash denim that is easy to wear and also, again, made in Japan. Basically, for those who want amazing quality and comfort right off the rack, Orslow. Further, the entire label is inspired by military and workwear aesthetics, making it not only great for daily wear denim, but also as an entire wardrobe. I'm not saying it should be your entire wardrobe, but it certainly has the potential for that. It is certainly a unique take on Japanese denim compared to the others out there, and especially the ones on this list, but it comes without the commitment of raw denim fades, which can certainly be a task in and of itself. Now, due to its own unique position, it starts at the beginning of the premium range. This means we're looking at 20,000 yen to start to about as much as 30,000 yen, give or take a few yennies. That's about $135 USD to about $200 USD at the time of this episode, just in case you need USD numbers. Well, if that means something to you. But basically right now, at the time of this episode, it's really good for the exchange rate. But like many things, that may not hold forever. So if you really like the look of Orslow, now is probably one of the better times to get involved. Further, Orslow is also one of the few JP denim labels that has a great operation for getting pieces outside of Japan. It's not as accessible as Edwin, but there's a lot of third-party stores in the US, UK, and Canada that carry the brand, albeit slightly at a higher price range. All right, so the last one is a doozy, a real big doozy. You probably see the name right here or on the screen or whatever, because for many, it's not really a beginner brand. But to be honest, it really is for the individual who plans on basically going full tilt into denim heritage and culture. Studio de Artisan is not only one of the best brands to begin your serious denim journey, your denim head journey, it's also one of the coolest damn brands on the planet. I mean, just look at it. It's so damn good. It makes someone like me, who doesn't really engage with Americana heavy, want everything they offer just because it looks so great. And it makes sense on all counts. SDA is part of the iconic Osaka 5, a pioneer of Japan's reputation of high-end denim suppliers. It's just there, and it's been holding up for years. All the years of its existence, it has never let up. It still employs custom fabrics, stitching, and dyeing techniques. It's just phenomenal. This makes it not only unique in its own right, but it's the perfect stepping stone into premium brands like Momotaro and Samurai. That said, it's not as singularly focused as the higher tier premium brands. It has kind of an overall approach rather than we just make denim jeans. Of course, these other brands also make other stuff, but their primary focus is that. Studio de Artisan is more so the entire Americana heritage culture, but they really do make fantastic denim. And the price reflects that, as entry-level pairs begin at around 25,000 yen to about 30,000 yen. That's just entry-level prices. And that's about $170 USD to about $200 USD. Fair warning though, pricing for the most premium pairs reach premium-like prices. It's not uncommon to see Studio de Artisan pairs go for over 40,000 yen. And I'm not even gonna give you the USD for that, because if you know that, then if you're gonna go for the 40,000 yen denim, then you don't need me to do the money conversion. You're like, man, I ain't even looking at the price tag. I know what I'm getting. That's when you enter into, I'm a denim head, I don't care what the price is. You could be paying 60,000 yen. You're like, I don't care. I don't care. That's how some of these guys are. They don't care. They just buy it and they go crazy. So definitely check it out if you're in that direction. For anything else, you probably want to go a little bit lower tier. If you just want something good and you just want to have some Japanese denim, I probably would say don't start off with Studio de Artisan, but it's great for those who want to go into that era of I'm into Americana heritage. I need something good to start. Studio de Artisan is a great starting point. So to recap, your best budget is gonna go to Kojima Genes with a G. Best for accessibility, we're gonna go with Edwin. Best for heritage focus, Big John. Best balance of price and quality, plus that Momotaro Light, the Kobe Bryant, Japan Blue Jeans. Best for comfort, Orslow, bar none. Best step into premium, Studio de Artisan. At the end of the day, Japanese denim is a whole world to explore, and these brands are just the start. Whether you want that classic workwear aesthetic, clean fades, or just a solid pair of denim jeans that'll last, there's a brand on this list that'll work for you. That said, if you're a denim head out there, or if you're just a fan of denim, what's your go-to Japanese denim brand? Or which of these would you love to try? Drop it in the comments. Oh, and let us know if you want us to cover any of these or any other label with a deep dive review, much like the Edwin one that I told you to look at. Go ahead and check that one out if you want to see what Edwin's all about. I think it's one of the better beginner Japanese denim labels. So definitely check that out and see what you like, what you dislike. Or if you see that and you're like, yeah, but I want to see some other options, we'll go ahead and check that out as well if we can. But your support goes a long way. So always do this for us. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications. That all helps us out so we can get more stuff, showcase it to you, and then you can make a decision, a more informed decision before you either buy something or come to Japan and get something. It's one of those two things. It has to be, because you know how hard it is to get Japanese stuff, but we got some solutions for that along the way. But most importantly, you know what to do. Keep it locked right here for all of your info in international fashion, culture, and business from Tokyo. It's your boy, and keep it casual. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. And I will see you guys in a minute. Peace.